Hi, so today we're going to learn about Python, and in this Python introduction challenge, we're supposed to print hello world on this HackerRank Python challenge. We can use a variable like myString right here. So let's use that. If we can do um, myString, and then we can type hello world, and that will be our variable, so that we can print it down here. Print and then my string. Okay, so let's try this out and we can make sure that this is working correctly. And it worked, and let's submit it. And there you go. That's the print functions for this challenge. And behind this print function, there's a lot of stuff that we have to learn, and we will learn that strings and functions in the future.